I chose this company for my screen protector. It's called ScreenProtect, and they have two different films. One is gloss and one is matte. I chose for the gloss finish, as you can see over here. It looks way more OEM, and the reason why I prefer gloss over the matte finish is because, look, the screen is black, and when I turn the battery on, let's wait for some details. You see the details over here, right? So the background is black, and this background should be black in a moment. Now it's doing some animation. Well, here you can see it a little bit better. Oh, it turned black over here. So when you choose the matte finish, the black colors will be a little bit blurry, and it gives a little bit more white instead of black, like these white grayish over there. But when you choose the gloss film, it stays OEM, the black stays black, the colors stay colorful, and yeah, I want to enjoy my screen as how it came from the factory. Good morning, everybody. I'm having this car now for 4 days, and it has 85.2 kilometers. That's not much. And I realized that it is time to remove all the plastics in the vehicle. And I'm gonna start with the screen. You want me to hold it on the left side?
Just try laying it up.
Yeah.
Okay, so look like you have to go down a little bit more. Yes.
That's a little bit more to do, right? So I have room on the left. All right. Alright guys, this is the next day, because when you apply the screen protector, you need at least to let it dry for 24 hours to see if the bubbles will go away eventually. And let me show you. I'm very happy with this screen protector. It's very good, but it's so big that when you try to apply it on the screen, you have to be very careful not to get some dirt or dust in between the screen and the screen protector. It is not perfect, but it's due to you know, human error, not the screen protector. The screen protector is really perfect. The size is super. Let me show you the flaws, the installation flaws, but I don't really care. It doesn't bother me that much. Well, on first sight, it looks very, very good. All right, let me show you the installation error. Let's start from the right. All right, there's a bubble over here, and above there is a smaller bubble. And if I go a little bit further away, then you can see it even better. Over here, there is some dirt that came in between the film and the display. And when you put your nails on it, you can really feel it. So that's the biggest flaw on the screen. But then from here to the left, it's really, really perfect. So overall, I'm not gonna change the film on the screen, because inside this film cone, or what's it called, I have a second screen in case I screw up this one. Well, I didn't screw it up that much, so I'm gonna keep this one. If this one gets scratched or dirty, or I don't know, something needs to be replaced, I'm gonna replace it with my second screen. This is how the screen looks like when it's turned off. Let's turn it on and see if we can be bothered by the installation flaws. Oh yeah, oh my god, that sound never gets old. Whew, baby. The cold start, and then it gets quiet. So let's look at the screen again. There's the bubble. It's not that big of an issue, right? And you can see over there the biggest issue on the screen, but yeah. But I'm driving this side and I'm looking at this side, and the left side is crystal clear. Yeah, it's at least below the display. It's on the black side, so yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Or is it not? Is it okay? Or is it not? I have to mentally prepare myself, because it's a brand new vehicle. You know, I want everything to look perfect. This is not perfect, but it's not the end of the world. And at least the screen is protected, so. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.